Today we're gonna go to clear that new incline that I talked about a couple videos ago. And I know it's been a while, but I'm finally back to do some work with the excavator. It's been a really busy summer so far, so let's get going. So this was one day getting to the incline. The incline is just around the bend there, so almost there that way. It's a pretty rainy day today. It's cleared up now. Did some progress. Just gonna walk this out. Might have to do some more grading once everything is done, just to even everything out. It's pretty wide open. Maybe some small trees here and there that I will remove. It's definitely wide enough for anything really. There's a If you go straight there, that's the old path basically, going up to the old incline. There's like tons of rocks. You have a nice little space to turn right. Might have to remove that tree. Might be a little tight there. Maybe one of those ones as well. See how it goes. Once it's done, should be pretty easy to do some fine tuning. It's going to be a lot nicer. And this is dried up a little bit. It's kind of a rain all day kind of day. And here we go back to the path. That's the old way. Anyway.